Horses cannot breathe through their mouths.
No.
Yeah. True?
Wow. I learned something today.
Hey, Nat Geo. Jennifer Goodwin here with my pal Kiwi Kwan from Disney's Zootopia 2, ready to tackle some real-life animal trivia.
So exciting!
We got him.
We've been challenged to prove how much we actually know about real animals versus just pretending to be them. Okay, first question. Nick Wilde is a classic fox in lots of ways.
No snake has set foot in Zootopia in forever.
He's clever and resourceful
I think I've got something.
and thrives in many different environments.
Pops and Wild. Dream team.
True or false? Foxes are nocturnal.
True, right?
Yeah, makes sense, because they only hunt at night,
Yeah.
right? Okay, let's see the real answer. False. Wow. Foxes are primarily crepuscular, meaning that they are most active during dawn and dusk. They can also be seen out during the day when they have hungry pups to feed.
Gonna channel Judy on this one. Our detectives explore all sorts of habitats in Zootopia, including the freezing cold of Tundra Town. True or false? Arctic hares are faster than polar bears.
I would say true.
Yeah, it feels right.
Yeah, because they're smaller.
Yeah.
They're
fast.
And they're fast. Here is fast.
Yeah. The answer is true.
Yeah.
Arctic hares are super speedy and agile, sometimes hitting 40 miles per hour when escaping predators in open, snowy landscapes.
40 miles per
That's
hour.
really fast.
Stop in the name of the law! I'm really sorry.
Okay, I have a feeling that this question is going to be snaky. In our new film, we go beyond the mammal world and see reptiles in Zootopia for the first time.
Reptiles ain't that different.
True or false? Snakes are essentially blind at night.
No.
No, I can't imagine.
No.
Yeah. The answer is false. In fact, pit vipers are able to see heat emitted by prey using special pits on their faces, almost like night vision goggles.
That's cool.
I'm cool.
You're cool.
I'm cool, man.
Moving right along, in Zootopia 2, we meet Brian Winddancer.
Do you know how many mayors they've already destroyed?
1, 2. I got up to 2.
who trots onto the scene as the new actor-turned-mayor of Zootopia. Very good looking, always has a fan on his hair. True or false? Horses cannot breathe through their mouths. Feels like it could be true, 50-50.
How about you say true and I say false? So
Yeah, we're
one of
going with
us is gonna
both.
be
We're
right.
gonna see. Yep, one of us is gonna be right. It's true.
Wow.
Horses are obligate nasal breathers, meaning they're obligated to breathe through their noses. In Zootopia 2, our beaver pal Nibbles runs her own conspiracy podcast and teams up with Nick and Judy to get to the bottom of the case. True or false, beavers have orange teeth?
Orange teeth, huh? I would say false.
Yeah. All right, we're both gonna go with false. True.
Wow.
The orange color comes from iron in the enamel, which makes their teeth much stronger than human teeth.
Orange teeth.
I love you!
We can't forget to mention the biggest star in all of Zootopia, our favorite pop sensation, Gazelle. True or false? Gazelle can sprint faster than cheetahs, reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour. False. Right?
Yeah, I'm with you.
False.
We're going false.
False. Gazelles top out around 50 to 60 miles per hour. That's crazy, 50 to 60. Okay, a bit slower than cheetah, but they can maintain their speed much longer, which often lets them escape.
That's it for Nat Geo Trivia Night. I feel like we've learned so much.
This night will go down in history. And I had a fantastic time. I'm so sorry, I can't help myself.
Catch us at Disney's Zootopia 2. Now playing only in theaters.
Wild and Hops. The dream team. Sorry, Paul.
Zoo,